Here is Eastern Region, one of the capitals of Ghana. We are in one of the villages, and the closest town to this place is either in Sound or Ebri. So this is Eastern Region. Actually, we came here to come and support, the less privileged in this community. It's about 5 communities around this place that came together for today's event. And first and foremost, we want to say a very big thank you to God for making this day a success. Also, we want to give a very big thanks to the President of Kingdom of Kings. The President of Kingdom of Kings. Bishop, I call him Bishop because he's my bishop. Mr. Basil Akwete Ama. Basil Akwete Ama. Papa, wherever you are, we are saying God bless you. It is through your help and your support that what you are seeing today was able to manifest. And also to our partners, Kingdom of King partners. We want to say a very big thank you to all of you for making this day success, because without your support, we don't believe we can get to this stage or what we did today. So we want to say a very big thank you to all our supporters, all our donors who supported this event. And we believe it's not going to end here, and the next edition you're going to come, we believe it's going to be awesome. So Bishop Yamin Shao, Yamin Shao, Entre Washimu, Among Insurano, Mbumfaso, over and over, so that we can do more of this. In fact, when I told you about this, that we need to visit our villages to donate during this time of COVID-19, that nothing is really going on for Ghanaians, you never hesitated. You came on board fully to support this particular event. So Papa, Yamin Shao, baby I will be saying Uncle Paul said, until the Yamin Shao, on phone fee Adum and Kwadumo. We believe that this is not going to be the end. The GD said, on Yamia, what say you my personal or the record every year. Yamin Shao, not the Yamin Shao, say, oh boy, Emma said you may Abaso. Kingdom of Kings. Kingdom of Kings members in Iran, so Yamisha Bibia say, I'm supporting you, and my surgery may be a success. Yamisha, you don't want to say.